Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And as you can see, I'm doing something very different from what I've done on my channel before. But there's this challenge going around called the Dele challenge. Well, the Dele challenge is obviously started by him, and it's basically this. And most people can't do it, and there's not very many things that teach you how to do it, so I'm going to show you how you do it. So basically, you hold your hands like this, like an OK sign, and then you put your fingers together and bring them down. Does that make sense? So you bring them down, so then your OK thing, like your circle, is like on top, and then you have to so you like this. You can do it in any hand, by the way. I'm just doing it in my right hand because that's the hand I use. And you flip your hand round so it's facing this way, and there'll be like this hole, and you put it up to your face. That's basically how you do it. It's really simple once you know how to. So I'll do it again. You put your fingers down, twist. So you just put them down and twist around. That's how you do it. So this is what it. Obviously, I'm not very good at it. People can do it a lot better, and so you can see eye, but that's basically how you do it. You just do this, put your fingers down, and then flip around. So if you want any more tutorials on how to do different challenges going around, let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe. I'll see you next time in a video. Bye.